Nakata USA. Nakata is a Japanese machinery manufacturer that engages in the design and production of automobile-related equipment. The company is contributing to the production of the interior skins for various manufacturers, not only in Japan, but all over the world. Powder slush molding machine. The powder slush molding machine effectively manufactures high-quality instrument panel skins for automobiles by melting resin powder within a mold. The mold settings being used can be changed to other shaped molds quickly with the automatic exchange device, thus preventing interruption of the production line. Due to the hot blasts, the oven can handle complex-shaped molds. The direct heating method uses LPG, which has an inexpensive energy unit price, or LNG has been employed for the thermal process. The resin material is automatically loaded by the material supply system and thus can accommodate PVC, TPO and TPU. The rotary action and suction enables the resin to flow into the mold, creating a uniform thickness. The surface of the resin welded in the mold is set with the 350 degrees Celsius hot blast. Lastly, the hot mold is cooled. Uniform cooling takes far less time with the use of shower and air blowers, as well as the effective use of vaporized heat. This method prevents mold deformation and cracks. High-quality skins with a uniform thickness and a beautiful finish are produced. The powder slush molding machine has advanced into the new skin production method field. In-mold pigmentation is a system, along with resin molding, for adhering pigment onto the skin. Masking is conducted on the mold area where there will be no colouring. The painting robot begins to paint according to the program. Then, in accord with the production line, after completing the processes of heating, powdering and cooling, among other things. A beautifully painted, high-quality skin is produced. The primerless flame system. A beautifully finished instrument panel. Nakata's primerless flame system is a system that improves the adhesiveness of difficult-to-adhere materials, such as PVC, TPO and TPU, among others, by applying the surface treatment. A robot that will conduct surface reforming for solid materials, ITRO surface treatment, is equipped on one side of the workbase. Use of the ETRO surface treatment raises the wetting index of 30% difficult to adhere materials to around 70%, making adhesion on the surface and painting, among other things, easier. The ETRO surface treatment reforms material surfaces by forming nano-level silanol groups in a short time by means of a chemical reaction and flame treatment, creating silicon compounds made by the combustion of the frame burner. In this demonstration that uses silicon, you can see that the area where the processing was applied is adhered to strongly. Masking is applied on one side of the polypropylene material, then ETRO surface treatment is applied, and later it is painted. If tape is put on and then pulled off, the paint is firmly adhered on the side where ETRO surface treatment was applied, meaning the surface treatment of difficult to adhere materials is now possible. Operation time can be shortened by programming the shape of the insert to the robot in advance. With the adoption of the turntable, both sides of the work base can be used. The treatment of different car models can also be done with jig replacements at the same time. This system enables the reduction of production costs. Invisible tear processing machine. A high-precision processing technique is necessary for the instrument panel skin that handles the activation of the airbag during an emergency. The invisible tear processing machine forms a groove using a special cutter in the airbag area on the passenger seat side of the skin, leaving a set thickness. By fixing the skin to the support using the vacuum fixing device, it can be stably fixed in a level state in the predefined position, even if the shape is complex. By conducting a status detection of the cold cutter before processing, cutting can always be done in a good condition, and the forming precision of the fracture projected line can be stabilized. The skin will have a uniform thin coat that takes the shape of a groove. Using a conventional cold cutter resulted in a great amount of wear. Our company has pioneered the improvement of this area and eliminated this drawback. Reduced cost, highly invisible treatment without a change in quality or deterioration due to heat is the result. A maximum of 2,000 data of measurements can be saved and are useful when verifying the residual thickness. The latest invisible tear processing machine enables the use of two systems, the cold and end mill, just by replacing the cutter head. The end mill processing device can form grooves leaving a predetermined thickness in the passenger seat airbag area on materials made by mold injection and other methods. A beautiful instrument panel supports the reliable deployment of the airbag during an emergency. Nakata is developing products based on intense research, always with safety in mind. We pursue improvements in energy saving, space saving, ease of use, safety and product precision in the manufacturing of our machinery. Nakata plays a part in the world's automobile industry and continues to take on challenges and explore new possibilities. Let us help you today. Nakata USA.